Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand some examples on while loops. So these kind of examples were frequently asked in placements and gate examinations, and these are very tricky questions. In hurry, we will give there is a possibility to give the wrong answers. So try to understand these programs, and they are very simple to understand. So nothing complex is there, but they are tricky to they are very much tricky. While in hurry, we are going to do some mistakes. So there is a possibility of doing mistakes. So here initially int I is equal to -1, I is assigned to -1, and I plus plus is equal to 0. So usually what we will think is, okay, -1 will get incremented and it is equal to 0. But so what happens, it is a post increment. Post increment means the value of I will be used and the incrementation will be reflected later. So now what happens is, it is -1 equal to 0. So now we are not going to enter into this while loop, and this printf will not get printed. So we are going to come out of this condition is going to be false. So we are going to come out of this loop, and this return will get executed. So nothing will be printed for this program. Okay, and then this is I is equal to 2. Assignment is possible. Assignment is possible in while loop, but what it considers is, it considers the final output. If it is a 0, what it has been assigned, that will get considered. If it is a 0, then this is a false. This if it is 0, then it is considered as false. If it is anything other than 0, 1, 2, 3, so that is going to be considered as true. Okay, so assignment, so don't just confuse it with comparison operator double equal to. It is an assignment operator, and assignment is possible whenever the assignment is done in the while loop, in the while statement. So the value that has been assigned will get considered, and if it is equal to 0, then it is considered as false. If it is other than 0, then it is considered as true. So this is an infinite loop, so this printf will be printed infinitely because it is true. The value is true. Other than 0, everything is considered as true. Everything is considered as true, so it is true, and it never going to become false. Okay, so this is how the things will work in while loops. Let's execute this and see how the outputs are going to be. So with that, we will get more clarity. See here, these are the programs. So this is our program. Compile it and run it. Nothing will get printed because I plus plus, the value of I will get considered. The increment value will be done after that. So if it is used, if the I value is used elsewhere in the program, then it is going to print 0. Okay, and second example, this is second example. See here, infinite loop. Okay, and if you take it as 0, if we take it as 0, compile and execute it, then it is going to be false. So we are not going to go into the loop, so nothing will get printed. So not only 1, we can take 2 also. So anything other than 0, anything other than 0 will be taken as a true value. Okay, so these are some of the examples on while loop. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.